A circular saw is a powered hand tool that, in many instances, can easily tackle tasks normally reserved for a table saw or hacksaw. It will chop up 2x4s, slice particle board and dice drywall. Circular saw is very important tools for woodworking. There are many products available to choose best circular saw, each with different characteristics, benefits and price. To help you make an informed decision, I found these products much helpful for people like. If you know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any farther delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Makita 5007 mg 7 1/4 inch circular saw. For all-around capability, performance, and features, the Makita 5007 mg 7 1/4 inch circular saw is worth a look. This powerful corded model uses a 15-amp motor and runs at speeds up to 5,800 RPMs, allowing it to tackle anything from construction to cabinet making. It also features magnesium components to lighten the weight, though it does still weigh over 10 pounds. It also has a large cutting capacity, giving the 7 1/4 inch blade a 2 1/2 inch cutting depth. This circular saw's beveling base has positive stops at 22 1/2 and 45 degrees. The kit comes with a heavy-duty carrying case as well, protecting the investment during transport and storage. It comes with a 24-tooth blade, but users will likely find upgrading to a better blade well worth it. Number 2. DEWALT 6 1/2 inch 20V Max circular saw. DEWALT was at the forefront of brushless technology and lithium-ion battery technology, and the company's 20V 6 1/2 inch circular saw is a prime example of what the brand's tools can do. This cordless circular saw uses the same 20V battery that most of the DEWALT lineup now runs on, so those invested in the 20V lineup will have a host of compatible batteries. It also runs at a top speed of 5,150 RPMs, allowing it to keep up with high-end corded models. Despite its power and capability, this saw weighs just over 7 pounds. It features a beveling base that adjusts between 0 and 50 degrees, while the rubber overmolded grip remains comfortable and reduces vibration. Keep in mind that this is a tool-only purchase. The saw doesn't come with a battery or charger. Number 3. CRAFTSMAN 7 1/4 inch circular saw. Not everyone needs all of the features of a top-of-the-line cordless saw or the heavy-duty capability of a timber framing model. For projects that include an occasional small framing job or breaking down plywood sheets, and when saving money is a priority, the affordable CRAFTSMAN 7 1/4 inch circular saw might be the right choice. This 15-amp model runs at 5,500 RPMs and features a magnesium shoe for reduced weight. The shoe bevels up to 55 degrees, allowing users to customize the angle of their cuts. Also, this model features a built-in rafter hook that dewalters can use to hang it from a beam, ladder, or another ledge. Keep in mind that a lot of this saw is plastic, so it might not be so durable should it slip from that beam, ladder, or ledge. Number 4. SKIL 15-amp 7 1/4 inch circular saw. Getting the hang of a circular saw can be a bit of a challenge, but a circular saw with laser guidance can make the job that much easier. This SKIL circular saw features a single beam laser that allows the user to maintain consistent passes on cut lines, taking some of the learning curve out of straight cuts. Besides the laser beam, this circular saw also boasts a 5,300 RPM top speed from its 15-amp motor, offering plenty of power and capability. This saw's base bevels up to 51 degrees, allowing the 7 1/4 inch blade to cut a variety of angles. And, to make this saw a bit safer, there is a safety lock in the handle that the user must depress before squeezing the trigger. Just keep in mind that for its affordable price, SKIL had to trade many metal components for plastic. Number 5. Genesis GCS 445 SE Compact Circular Saw. Not every sawing job calls for the maximum in size and muscle. A compact circular saw has many advantages over the standard size. It's easier to maneuver a compact saw in a tight space, and typically, these saws are lighter in weight, making them easier on your hands when working for extended periods. The Genesis GCS 445 SE Compact Circular Saw is one of the most versatile compact saws available today. With a 4.0 amp motor rated for up to 3,500 RPM, it packs a powerful punch in a body that is half the weight of many larger circular saws. It's just 4.7 pounds. Plus, it's designed for one-handed use. But the features don't stop there. The included tungsten carbide tipped blade is strong enough to cut through any 2x wooden board, as well as similar materials, whether cutting straight, rip, or bevel. To use other kinds of blades, all you have to do is remove the existing blade and pop in the other.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you wants to know product price to check out of my description for any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay update with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.